Jai class 8 students, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 8 students, this is computer subject and myself Tarak sir. Okay. Now you know your next chapter. Those are running. They have to finish for understanding. Okay. Let us write about the question answer. And before the writing the question answer, we have to again just talk something about all the topics. Okay. For understanding, you have to open your computer book. Okay. Now you have to know which one chapter is going on. So you say yes, chapter 5, Introduction to Protocol. Chapter 5, Introduction to Protocol. Okay, it is your chapter. Now, in this, we have to just communicate. Let us revise topic in the page number 61. Okay, 60 and 61. 60 and 61 page. Okay. Now on the 60, raster image. What is the raster image? So you have to say that image made with thousands of small lines and curves. Okay, thousands of small lines and curves. Then you have to say that one is raster image. If on that image thousands of small lines and curves. Okay, so it is a raster image. Then next is a vector image. Vector image, it means what? Image made with polygon. Image made with polygons. If the image made with polygons, it means that one image is vector image. Now next, crop. Okay, crop is important. It is important. Okay, to remove unwanted portion from the image. Remove unwanted portion from. Okay, unwanted portion, it means मैंने बताया था कि अगर कोई पिक्चर है इसमें आपको इतना ही चाहिए तो ये पार्ट आप सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए और क्रॉप कर दीजिए, तो ये अनवांटेड पार्ट जो है ना सब हट जाएगा. ठीक है. The next is resolution. Okay, you all know the resolution. It means number of pixels displayed per unit area. Number of pixels displayed per unit area. Okay, so it is called the resolution. Now let us revision chapter is going. Let us revision. On the page number 61, everyone just open page number 61. Let us revise. Okay, so let us revise. You have to see. First topic is series. First topic, Photoshop is an image creation and editing software. What is the Photoshop? Photoshop is a image creating and editing software. Okay, what is the Photoshop? Photoshop, it means image creating and editing software. On the next, to open an existing file in Photoshop, click on the file open. ठीक है, किसी भी फाइल को ओपन करना है तो पहले फाइल मेन्यू पर क्लिक करेंगे and then after you have to click on the open. ठीक है, but first off you all click the file then open. I think all of you understand. The next, to create a new file in Photoshop, then you just follow this. Right on the file menu, then after new option. Okay, first click on the file, then after new. It means if you need to open a new file, then marquee tool is used to select areas on an image. Okay, ये जो marquee tool होता है, marquee, ठीक है, ये selection होता है rectangle का, emphatic का, single vertical, single column, single row, ऐसे करके अगर को select करना होगा आपको अपनी image पर, so you just use the marquee tool. Okay. Now the next, lasso tool is used to make freehand selection of areas in an image. जो image है इसमें अपनी डिजाइन अनुसार जो फ्री हैंड जितना मुझे सेलेक्ट करना है जैसे सेलेक्ट करना है, फ्री हैंड सिलेक्शन इज कंप्लीटेड डन बाय lasso tool. Next is the magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is used to select areas of same color in an image. मैजिक वैन टूल क्या करता है कि अगर ब्लैक बोर्ड ग्रीन है तो पूरा ग्रीन बोर्ड सेलेक्ट कर लेगा क्योंकि वो सेम कलर सेलेक्ट करता है. Then the gradient tool is used to create the blend between numerous colors. Blend between numerous colors. मैंने बताया था that one is look like as a rainbow. Rainbow में क्या होता है कई सारे कलर होते हैं. Similar is gradient. Next, the drawing tool are used to create geometrical shapes like जो ड्राइंग टूल जो शेप टूल होता है ड्राइंग टूल का जो ड्राइंग टूल होता है वो पूरा का पूरा आपका यूज होता है ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स क्रिएट करने के लिए. इफ यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ सर्कल देन यू जस्ट गो इन द ड्राइंग टूल एंड यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द सर्कल एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्रिएट it. Now the next, the custom shape tool is used to draw shapes other than the basic geometrical. अगर ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स नहीं चाहिए कुछ डिफरेंट चाहिए तो कस्टम टूल्स पे आप जा सकते हैं. ओके, सो इट इज द रिवीजन वर्क. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वी जस्ट कम ऑन द प्रैक्टिस जोन. Everyone just open page number 61 and on there the first question, practice zone. First question is this. Question is this: what are the various lasso tools? what are the various lasso tools available in available in photos. Okay, so answer this question, lassos. I will just look at the lasso tool, where is the lasso tool is written, and on there you have to see lasso tool. These are what are the various lasso tools available. Okay, so lasso tool available in submarines. Lasso tool is available in submarines. First, खुद होता है lasso tool. Second, polygonal lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool. And third, magnetic lasso tool. I think everyone must understand about it. Okay, so I solved your first question, but remaining questions and answer you try to solve at your home. Okay, and the remaining part I will do next. Thank you.